Hello, this is for Project 2 Milestone 6 for UAT, and we'll just be going ahead and going through this. So let me see here. Yeah, so pretty much have the shooting sound effects line up in this document, as well as the background music for arcade game BGM 3. We can see on the player pawn. We have this set up here for laser 1, and then that gets called here for the audio source. So we'll just go ahead and start showing this off. Hopefully the music and everything isn't too loud. I went for the play clip 1, I believe it's called, where it ends the clip. It ends the previous clip when the new clips play, because it would otherwise I figured you get a problem with too many overlapping clips trying to finish their play, along with the music looping in the background. Now the recorded lecture did mention, like, we kind of had a choice of whether we wanted to do through the game manager or not, so I just left it through the audio manager because I figured it's a lot easier to manage to have a game object dedicated just to the background music. It'd be easier to kind of adjust that. So like here we have the volume. I had to turn down to 0.75% because it was a bit loud. And yeah, plan awake, so it plays when it starts, and then we just have it looping in the background. You can change the pitch, the priority, and all that jazz. One thing I did mention that wasn't part of the rubric is that I did set the bullets to destroy them, self-destruct after 2 seconds, because otherwise you just get a bunch of clones just building up in the hierarchy. So this way it kind of cleans it up after they leave the screen. You just hear the bullet, the laser sound effects, and the music just kind of playing in the background. Go ahead and stomp that. Bring up the code. So so we have our audio source, shoot audio source, and then the audio clip. Let's see. Right, so we have the shoot audio source. It references to the shoot audio clip, which we have both right here, because then when we go back down here, when we add audio source, then our audio, when we have audio source, we can reference it back here since we have it all attached to the player pawn. Game manager's there. Yeah, here's for the projectile on start. So from what I understand, at least going by the Unity scripting side, is like if you do it on start, so like when the game first gets spawned to the world, it'll then exist for only if it doesn't hit anything, it'll exist for 2 seconds, then destroy itself. That was pretty much straightforward as it is, just background music and shooting noise, along with, here we go, being able to change the volume, pitch, and everything else.